Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from US Bank to Bank of America. This is easy. The first step we need to do is click this option called Pay Bills and Transfer. Once we click right here, we're gonna click this option External Transfers. Right here, we're gonna click this that means send a wire. Here in this screen you need to click this option to select an account to pay from. If you don't have any account, you need to add an account to send the money. Also, you need to select the account um, that you will use to send the money. We're gonna click save and then we're gonna click done. Right here, you need to add a contact to send the money. In this case, we're gonna add all information about this contact, and then we're gonna click to send the money. We need to send the money to this person. Um, right here you have to send the money clicking this option called wire. Okay, this is really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.